To replace this engine mount, I'm going to start by removing this bolt here. Take that out. And then you can remove this one and try to drive it out this way, but I think it's easier if you remove this one here and then the one on the back. That'll free up this whole bracket, and then you can easily take this out once it's out of the car. Now you can remove this bolt. Save these little rubber pieces for the new mount. And the new one goes like that with this piece up facing towards the side of the car. Put these back on. Slide the new mount into its bracket and put in the center bolt. And I'm going to drive it in with my impact, and then I'll get it close, but then I'll torque it once it's on the car. Now put it into the mounting area on here. Line it up. Now you can line up these two bolts that go onto the engine. Start those on. And I'm also not going to fully tighten these yet. I want to put this one on first so that I can still wiggle this around. Okay, snug this up. Now with this in, go ahead and snug these two up, as well as these. Go ahead and torque them all to 47 foot-pounds. Perfect.